Traders, on the move this morning. We got quite a few earnings plays this morning. We got SUPN down over 26%, almost 300,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. MTCH match down over 10%, almost a million traded pre-market. That's in play. ATUS down over 17%, over 3 million traded pre-market. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. We also stream these every weekday morning around 8 a.m. alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check us out here around 8 a.m. So let's go trade. Match, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. If we could get hit here. All right, we are in. This looks like a squeeze to me, and once this squeeze is over, we could probably get at least a point off of this. Target's going to be around 65, and stop loss is going to be around 66.75 area. We're up on our stop here. I like that. Daily looks good for a short. This thing's been downtrending. It finally broke through the consolidation area here, and it broke below the 200 SMA, so I don't know if it'll hold, but it's not looking good here. All right, poked its head over 67. Market's still telling me to stay in the trade, so we're going to stay in the trade. It's coming back to us here. A real nail biter, come on. We got volume, so all right, here we go. But if it don't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it, because if this thing goes over 67 one more time, that's not going to be nice. All right, we're coming out of this right here if we can. Actually going to push this up. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that, like a 8-cent winner? So, what is that? Has, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we are in. We got 100. All right, we're full in. We're in at 93.58. Daily looks great for a short. It's been downtrending pretty much all month. It's a little extended to the downside, but intraday gap's down. Tries to climb. And it went up to 94. Past 94, couldn't go. So now it's down at 93.50. So we think this thing will drop down to 92.50. That's what we'll take it. And stop loss will be around 94.50. About a point each way. But we'll manage the trade. Market's been downtrending, but it's putting in a green candle here. Has. We're going to come out of this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 55-cent loser. It's breaking out here over the top. It'll probably climb. CYRB, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. If we can get hit. CYBR. All right, we're in it. We're in at 118.20. Daily looks okay for a short because it's got a lot of baggage overhead, but the past few weeks it's been uptrending pretty strong. Stop loss on this thing is going to be over 119, and target, we like this around around 117 or close to it. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's up for the morning, so you got to be careful with these. You can't give this one too much time because most likely it will climb, but market's dropping. This thing's got a lot of baggage so on the daily, so once it starts to get weak, a lot of people will start to sell it, I think. And we'll see if we can write it down for a bit. CYBR, all right, it's coming down to us here. CYBR, all right, it's at our stop. It just went squeezed right over to our stop, but it's coming back here. CYBR, all right, that's nice. That big green candle got taken out, or is trying to get taken out. CYBR, we're going to come out of this right here if we can before it blasts over the top here. Be a good sized loser, but you know. All right, we're out of a. All right, we're full out. We're out with. Oh, and now it's going to drop. We're out with about a 90-cent loser on that. You know, I think if it goes over 119.50 one more time, this thing is going to blast off. And you know, it was a stupid trade. It was uptrending pretty hard, so I shouldn't have never traded this. So, FANG, FANG, we're in at 79.06. Looks great here. We think it drops below 79 here. Daily looks great for sure. This thing's been downtrending most of the quarter. A few rallies, a few small rallies, but just continuously downtrending. Intraday gaps down, flushes at the open, and then rallies for a bit, and then it consolidates here, tries to climb, and now it's getting rejected. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We think now that if it cracks this area here, like it is now, oh, look at that thing drop. Target on this is going to be around 78, about a point, and stop loss will be around 79, 75 area. That's a big fat red candle there. That's nice. I think it continues the market. If we look at the SPY here, the market's dropping also. So we got tailwind. All right, here we go. All right, let's try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that? About 70 cents. MTCH, we're going to take this for another short right here at the ask if we can get it hit. All right, we are in. We're in MTCH at 65.48. Second trade on it. We took it earlier and we didn't take much off of it. We took like a few cents. Good thing we got out of it because it climbed pretty hard and then it dropped and kept dropping. Now it's climbing again, and I think it turns around here and goes back down to at least 64.50. We'll take it around 64.50, and stop loss will be around 66.50 area, about a point each way. MTCH still in this. Every time it looks like it's about to crack where I entered, it blasts off again. But these are 2-minute candles, so let me put this, I usually change this over to 5-minute candles after around 10 a.m. But I didn't today, just didn't even really think about it much. But look, that's where we are. We've been consolidating here for the past hour or so, a little over an hour. I've been in this for a little bit. It's still well below yesterday's close, and I think it drops. It's been consolidating here quite a bit. So I'm going to give it one more chance here. If it doesn't drop soon, we're just going to come out of this thing. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's gone to our stop a couple of times, but it always seems to drop back down. And it comes down to our entry and it goes back up. So MTCH, it's coming down now. We got a nice big fat red candle. See if it continues. You know what? I'm actually going to come out of this right here if I can. Alright, we're out. We're out for about, what is that? 25 cents. I've just been in this trade way too long. Taking this as an opportunity to get out with a small win. Not what I wanted, but anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Been in that last trade for quite a while, and I don't really see anything else that looks good. The market is flat. If we look at the SPY, it's been flat since 11 o'clock, really, 11:30. So we're going to call it a day here. We're down 76. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 3 winners and 2 losers. Unfortunately, the losers were bigger than the winners. Our biggest winner on FANG and our biggest loser on CYBR. Thanks for watching.